Hello everyone, let's learn how to add background photo to Instagram story. Have you ever wanted to add a background photo when you share a photo to your Instagram story? I'm sharing you a hack that will level up your Instagram stories and give you some more Instagram story ideas. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, swipe to the right to go on Instagram camera for story. Next, you need to add picture. You will do that by tapping on little icon in bottom left corner of the screen. Then I'm going to zoom this picture on whole screen to be this story more beautiful. When you do that, we need to add photo over this picture we add before, so we will do that by tapping on this little icon with face in top of the screen. Then scroll a little down to find plus icon, and when you find, click on it. Now you need to choose a picture you want to add from your gallery, and select a picture to put on first photo we add before. Now you can move a photo where you want on screen, and you can zoom in or zoom out, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.